How to use Fluid Engine in Squarespace. So in order to use it, first head over to your actual site on Squarespace, and from in there you should be able to click onto this edit site. Once you have clicked on this will open your actual site editor, and then this is what we call the Fluid Engine editor. So in there, you can just head over and add some sections, add some blocks depending on your liking, and then edit the elements that you have previously added. So for example, right here, you can hover to a particular section and then just head over and add it you want if you want. You can choose in here from specific templates like blank section, save section, as well as customize section as we can see right here. So in this case, just head over and then use in here the template that you wish to use and edit it using the real or the actual Fluid Engine provided to you by Squarespace. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.